In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your color palette in Microsoft Word. Changing the color palette in Word allows you to control the overall look and feel of your document. This is especially useful when you want to match branding, create a consistent design, or simply give your document a more polished and professional appearance. To begin, open your document in Microsoft Word and go to the Design tab at the top of the screen. This tab contains tools that control the visual style of your entire document, including themes, colors, fonts, and effects. In the Design tab, look for the Document Formatting group. Within this section, you'll see an option labeled Colors. Click on it to open a drop-down menu that displays a variety of built-in color palettes. These palettes are designed to work well together, ensuring that your document maintains a balanced and professional look. As you hover over each color set, you'll notice that your document updates in real time, allowing you to preview how each palette affects headings, text, and other elements. This makes it easy to experiment and find a style that suits your needs. If you want to create your own custom color palette, click on Customize Colors at the bottom of the drop-down menu. This will open a new dialog box where you can define colors for different elements such as text, backgrounds, accents, and hyperlinks. In this window, you can click on each color slot and choose a new color from the palette, or enter specific color values if you have a particular shade in mind. As you customize, you'll see a preview of how your choices will look in the sample section. Once you're satisfied with your custom colors, give your palette a name and click Save. Your new color set will now be available in the Colors drop-down menu and can be applied to your document at any time. By changing your color palette, you can instantly transform the appearance of your document and ensure a consistent, visually appealing design throughout. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.